You know you get paid, but by the end of the month, your wallet feels like a deflated whoosh bag of dreams. Maybe you bought that fancy coffee every day, or perhaps those in-app purchases snuck up on you. Whatever the reason, you are left wondering, where did it all go? Fear not, financially frustrated friend. There's a legion of budgeting apps out there promising to be your financial knight in shining armor. One such app is PocketGuard, boasting features like expense tracking, bill reminders, and even sneaky subscription finders. But with so many options, a crucial question arises: is PocketGuard worth it, and how much will it set you back? Today, we're diving deep into the world of PocketGuard. We'll crack open the app, explore its features, and most importantly, unveil the cost of keeping your finances in check. So, grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, let's get financially forensic. Free reign or pay to play? PocketGuard, like many budgeting apps, offers a free version. This is fantastic news for budget-conscious beginners who want to test the waters before committing. The free version allows you to connect your bank accounts, categorize transactions, and get a basic overview of your spending habits. Think of it as a financial appetizer, a small taste to see if you like the flavor. However, the free version has limitations. Imagine a delicious meal served on a paper plate. The food is good, but the experience feels lacking. PocketGuard's free tier restricts the number of budgets and savings goals you can create. Additionally, you get limited transaction history and miss out on features like bill negotiation assistance and debt payoff planning. PocketGuard Plus, the beef of the app. This is where PocketGuard Plus enters the scene. Think of it as the full-course financial feast. For a monthly fee, PocketGuard Plus unlocks the app's full potential. Here's a taste of what you get. Unlimited budgets and savings goals, go wild. Set budgets for groceries, entertainment, that dream vacation, the sky's the limit. Extended transaction history, delve deeper into your spending patterns with a more extensive transaction log. Analyze trends and identify areas for improvement. Bill negotiation assistance, don't be shy. PocketGuard Plus analyzes your bills and provides data to help you negotiate better rates with service providers. Debt payoff planning, feeling overwhelmed by debt? PocketGuard Plus creates a personalized plan to conquer those pesky loans and credit card balances. Subscription manager, tired of paying for services you don't use? PocketGuard Plus helps you identify forgotten subscriptions and empowers you to cancel them with a tap. So, how much does this financial feast cost? PocketGuard Plus offers a few pricing options, catering to different budgeting styles. Here's the breakdown. Monthly, for the commitment phobic, the monthly plan allows you access to PocketGuard Plus features for $12.99. Yearly, if you know you'll stick with it, the yearly plan offers a discount at $159.99, translating to roughly $13.33 per month. Lifetime, the ultimate budgeter can snag a lifetime license for $74.99, essentially paying once and gaining access to PocketGuard Plus forever. Is PocketGuard Plus worth it? The answer, like most financial decisions, depends on your individual needs. If you're comfortable with the free version's limitations and have a good handle on your finances, you might be fine sticking with it. However, if you struggle with budgeting, have a lot of debt, or simply want a more comprehensive financial picture, PocketGuard Plus offers significant value. The ability to set multiple budgets, track progress towards savings goals, and potentially save money through bill negotiation can be a game changer. The takeaway: PocketGuard offers a free tier to dip your toes in and a premium version, PocketGuard Plus, that unlocks its full potential. The cost depends on your chosen payment option, ranging from a monthly fee to a one-time lifetime purchase. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial goals and how much control you want over your money. Remember, a budget isn't a prison, it's a roadmap to financial freedom. PocketGuard can be a valuable tool on that journey, but it's up to you to decide if the free version or PocketGuard Plus is the right fit for your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.